So here we are. Let's go in. We come in here straight to the living room. Fireplace, heat recuperation system. Very nice views on both sides. Doggy kennel. Open space area. Let's go into the kitchen. Very nice modern kitchen with an island and the breakfast area here. Here you would be able to put some chairs and have your breakfast here. Pantry or storage room, also with windows. Here is already the preparation for the central hoover. Okay, so if somebody would like to install the central hoover, you could do it here. The whole preparation in the entire house is done. From the other side and out again. The room has access on both sides to the garden area. So also possible for a wheelchair. Now let's go into the bedroom area. So here we have this hall leading to the 3 bedrooms. But first we have on our right hand side a massive bathroom with walk-in shower. Window and also extraction. Coming back to the hall, continuing, and we have the first bedroom on our right hand side. Actually they are all on our right hand side. Here we are. Built-in wardrobes. Just seeing the interior of the wardrobes. So on our right hand side we have this. And on our left hand side we have this. All the rooms are prepared, as you can see, for air conditioning, reversible, so which means hot and cold. Going back, and immediately to our right hand side, the second bedroom, also with doors leading to the exterior and the garden, and we have again the same wardrobes they are already showed. And again the preparation for the air conditioning. And that's last but not least the master suite. So here in front of us, once we go into the door, we have private bathroom, the ensuite bathroom, also with walk-in shower. Then we have the sink, and again the same situation, windows and extraction system. Electronic extraction system controlled by you in this case. So this is the third bedroom. This one has the wardrobe here on our left hand side, and is also much bigger. Yes. So we'll open this. This is a wall-to-wall wardrobe, okay? It starts on one wall, then you have the two mirrors, and it ends at the other wall, as you can see. So we can open this door here. Very similar picture like the one that we already saw. This one has obviously more features, yeah, but I think it was clear. So moving out again, so as you remember, we have here the ensuite, the bathroom, then we have the door to the hall, or corridor, yeah, and the second and third bedroom, in this case on our left hand side, and at the very end the huge bathroom. So what else can be pointed out? The house has an energy certification of A, has an excellent system and excellent insulation, yeah, which means that as well as in the summer as and in the winter, the house is warm in the winter and fresh in the summer, okay? Obviously, everything is to be done. The house has been built in 2020, so it's 2 years old. It has still a 3 years warranty by the builder, obviously. And yes, let's have a little look here on this system. This is more the technical details. So this is the thing for satellite, internet, and whatever. So you can change, or the electrician can change whatever he wants and wherever he wants. And then here we have the electric system, which is basically that one, yeah. And here you control hot water, the cycle, the water loading and so on, coming from the solar panels on the roof, yeah. Yeah. What else can be mentioned? Well, the house has, like I told you, the preparation for central hoover, so vacuum hoover, so the pipes are all over the house. This is one of them, as you can see, yeah, okay. The system needs to be installed, which roughly costs around maybe maximum of 1,000 euros. Okay, yeah. So let's just go out, have a look around, a closer look around. So whenever you look around the house, you have the scenery. It's just really beautiful all around the house. It is like that. Okay, so enough space to put a swimming pool, a garage. Yeah, you have still the possibility to build here legally a pool and a garage. Yeah, so yeah,